Hi, this is Jeremy with Digi Tech Support, and this video will demonstrate how to troubleshoot common AnywhereUSB Plus issues with the AnywhereUSB Manager software. This video uses the AnywhereUSB 8 Plus model as an example and also applies to the AnywhereUSB 2 Plus and AnywhereUSB 24 Plus models. In order for a host computer to be able to connect to an AnywhereUSB Plus and use any attached USB devices, it must first be what we call associated with the AnywhereUSB Plus. Association means there is a secure, authenticated, and encrypted connection between the host computer and the AnywhereUSB Plus, and it's evident from seeing a green icon next to the AnywhereUSB Plus within the AnywhereUSB Manager. Many of the issues an AnywhereUSB Plus user may run into are related to troubleshooting the association, sometimes called registration process. Here are the essential steps in getting a host computer associated with an AnywhereUSB Plus. The AnywhereUSB Plus user guide contains a troubleshooting section. At the time of this video, these common issues are covered. We'll discuss these topics as well as others that have not yet been officially documented. Each computer that has the AnywhereUSB Manager software installed on it must have a unique client ID. A client ID is essentially a friendly name of each computer. If you do not see the AnywhereUSB Plus device in the top left area of the AnywhereUSB Manager, this means the AnywhereUSB Plus is not discovered. The AnywhereUSB Manager must be able to discover an AnywhereUSB Plus in order to use the device. If you can discover the AnywhereUSB Plus, but it has a red X icon next to it, and the state at the top right says invalid hub cert, follow these troubleshooting steps. If RDP, terminal services, Citrix, etc. is being used and the AnywhereUSB Plus is not behaving as expected, test the AnywhereUSB Plus outside of these environments to try to narrow the issue down. If the computer is logging into a domain where a security policy could be applied and the AnywhereUSB Plus is not working, test the AnywhereUSB Plus on a computer that logs in locally to try to narrow the issue down. If the host computer is a virtual machine and the AnywhereUSB Plus is not behaving as expected, test the AnywhereUSB Plus on a physical machine to try to narrow the issue down. If you can discover the AnywhereUSB Plus, but it has a red X icon next to it, and the state at the top right says unregistered client ID, follow these troubleshooting steps. If you can discover the AnywhereUSB Plus, but it has a red X icon next to it, and the state at the top right says invalid client cert, follow these troubleshooting steps. If the host computer is associated with the AnywhereUSB Plus, but there is no option to connect in the AnywhereUSB Manager, this could be due to the client ID in question not having access to any groups. This issue could also be due to no USB ports being assigned to the group in question. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions or feedback by emailing tech.support@digi.com.